Good morning, my wonderful students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing your revision work regularly. Okay, students, our exercise work of chapter 2 is pending. Yes? Yes, because that time we were not having our book. So, this work is left. Today we are going to complete our book work of chapter 2. This is on page number 18. Listen to all the parts very carefully. You have read the story about Mickey and Misty. So, according to the story, according to the chapter, we have to complete our book work. So, let's start. Read section 2 and 3 in pairs. Write true and false on the blanks. Discuss the reason for your answers with your partner. You are not in class, so you don't have any partner. I am your partner. You can discuss with me. Okay. First is, after the cook went away, Mickey and Misty ate a raisin. Raisin मैंने आपको चैप्टर में बताया था ना. What is raisin? किशमिश बोलते हैं हम जिसको, dried grapes. That is raisin. जैसे ही कुक चला गया था, जैसे ही किचन में से कुक चला गया, मिक्की एंड मिस्टी ने उसके बाद क्या खाना स्टार्ट किया? रेजिन. यस, दिस इज ट्रू. मिस्टी डिड नॉट लाइक टू टेस्ट ऑफ द रेजिन. फॉल्स, बिकॉज मिस्टी सेड दिस इज बेटर देन ब्राउन शुगर. ही लाइक्ड द टेस्ट ऑफ रेजिन. द माइस hid in a hole to get away from Bella the cat. Yes, this is true. They hid themselves in a hole. Mickey then took Misty to the cellar. Yes, it is true. Misty ate onions and pickle in the cellar. No, false. They just only smelled. Mickey nearly ate a piece of cheese in a trap. False. Misty nearly ate a piece of cheese in a trap. Now, your next one is sum it up. Part D. Number these sentences about the story in the correct order. Okay, students, there are some sentences given. You have to arrange these sentences in correct order. See an example. Mickey invited Misty to visit him in a city. After that, what happened? Misty went to visit Mickey in the city. First, Mickey took Misty to see a cupboard. After that, they had to run away when the cook opened the cupboard. The mice nibbled at a bag of sugar. Next, Mickey took Misty to eat raisins on the top shelf of the cupboard. Students, there was a mistake. Please do it correct. First, Mickey invited Misty to visit him in the city. Second, Misty went to visit Mickey in the city. Third, first Mickey took Misty to see a cupboard. And fourth one, the mice nibbled at a bag of sugar. कि उन्होंने शुगर खानी स्टार्ट कर दी थी. Then what happened? They had to run away when the cook opened the cupboard. Now this is the correct order. Please do it correct. Next one. Next, Mickey took Misty to eat raisins on the top shelf of the cupboard. This time they had to run for their lives when the cat came in. Who came in? The cat, Bella. Finally, Mickey took Misty to the cellar. Misty nearly got caught in a mouse trap. Next one is, Misty realized that life in the city was very dangerous. He decided to go back to the country and never come back. So do it correct, students. Next is your worksheet, part E. Read the story again. Tick the correct answers. What did Misty, the country mouse, eat at home? जो गांव में रहता था, कंट्री में रहता था, मिस्टी, what he eats? What he eats? Barley and cauliflower. Where did Mickey first take Misty? First, where did Mickey take Misty? To the kitchen cupboard. What was on the top shelf of the kitchen cupboard? क्या था टॉप शेल्फ पे किचन कबोर्ड पे? Raisins. Why did Misty go back to the country? Why? Because he did not want to be frightened all the time. Now, part F. Who spoke these lines and to whom? Here some lines are given and you have to write who spoke these lines to whom. You should see how I live. Mickey said to Misty, you must come to visit me. Again, Mickey said to Misty, what is that? Misty to Mickey. When Bella entered in the kitchen. Then Misty asked Mickey, what is that? But I will take you to the cellar. Mickey said to Misty, what is a trap? Now again Misty is asking Mickey that what is a trap? Okay, turn your next page. Play with words. Now you have to solve this cross puzzle. Gnaw and nibble are two ways of eating. Gnaw means to scrape at something with your teeth. Nibble means to take small bites. G is silent in this word. We will say this word gnaw. Find 7 words in this word search which describe ways of eating and drinking. Munch, chew, chomp, bite, sip, lick. ऑरियो के ऐड में देखा है ना आपने, लिक करो और खाओ, दैट इज लिक. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज we use can to show that someone is able to do something, like a cat can mew, a mouse can gnaw, I can do my work, I can do dance. So it shows ability. We also use can to give permission or let someone to do something. You can go home now, you can finish your sums at home. So we can use can in both situations. What does can mean in these sentences? Discuss with your friend, then write A for able, to or P for permission. Misty and Mickey can climb a tree. Can climb a tree. This is their ability that they can climb a tree. So we will write A. You can bring sweets to school on your birthday. This is a permission for you by teacher or principal. So this is permission. You can go out and play till the bell rings. Again this is permission. I can play football well. This is ability. So we will write A. You can use my pencil. This is permission, P. Look it up. Part K. Arrange these sets of words in alphabetical order. Write them in your notebook. Okay students, today we are going to learn how to write in alphabetic order. Okay. Let's see here. Try to understand how will we write in alphabetic order. I have 26 alphabets with me. Okay. And there are four words. Okay. Let's see. We will see first word. Now see, A is my first alphabet. Okay students, see here, is there any word which starts from A? No. B? No. C? Yes. City. So I have written number 1. D? Yes, dinner. So this is my second word. I am arranging my words in alphabetic order. E, no. F, yes. So I have written third. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, yes. Now my fourth word is stone. Now I have arranged all my words in alphabetical order. Now second, A, B, C, yes, country. C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Yes, this word starts from P. So this is second. Q, R, S. S is my third. Scratch. Now S, T. T is my fourth word. So again I have arranged all these words in alphabetical order. Now you have to do the same. I hope now you are getting that how to arrange all the words in alphabetical order. Next is our grammar. Words that name things are called nouns. We have already done that. What are common and proper nouns? Okay, when a common noun talks about more than one of a thing, we call it a plural. We add s to a noun to make it plural. You are doing nouns from your first standard. Noun, nouns, cat, cats, house, houses. We add s in slightly different ways to some plural nouns because of the way they are spelled, like adding es. Foxes, buses, peaches, oxes, brushes, benches. Yes, changing y into I and adding es. When we are having alphabet y at the end of the word, then we will cut this word, remove this word and add ies instead of y. Cities, countries, parties, babies, stories. There are number of words. Okay. Again changing fe into v or adding es. Like we have cut f. Knives. Again I have removed f, ves. Again I have removed f and ves. Okay. Calf, calves, half, halves, knife, knives, leaf, leaves. Sometimes the plural noun is quite different. Mouse, mice, child, children, foot, feet. Sometimes the plural remains the same. Like deer, deer, it will remain same. Sheep, sheep. An uncountable noun is also remain same. When we mean a particular cat or mouse or city, we use their special names such as Tom or Jerry or Nagpur. Their special names are called proper noun. We already know that what are the proper nouns. The special name of a person, place or a thing. When we write a proper noun, we always begin it with a capital letter. So remember this thing, that when we write a proper noun, we always begin it with a capital letter. Okay, now read these sentences. Write the nouns in a bold under common nouns or proper nouns. Bold, जो ज़्यादा आपको डार्क नज़र आ रहे हैं. Mary the cook opened the kitchen door. Door is common noun and Mary is proper noun. Bella the cat scratched at the door. Bella, name of a cat. Cat is common noun. There were nice things to eat. Things are my common noun. Misty could not believe his eyes. Misty is proper noun and eyes are common noun. Mickey gave his friend a raisin. Mickey proper noun and raisin common noun. The cupboard was in the kitchen. Cupboard and kitchen both are common noun. So you have to write over here common nouns and here proper nouns. You have to choose from here. Write a proper noun for each common noun. School, the national schools, you can write your school name. Cat, I have written here Bella. You can write the name of your choice. City, Pehova. Book, I have written your book name, Pearls. And I have written all the first letter capital. River, the Ganga. Newspaper, the Hindustan Times. Girl, I have written the name Shreya. You can write your name. Road, the mall road. It is in Shimla, the mall road. Write the plurals of these words: foot, feet, bunch, bunches. Whenever you see the last two words ch, you will add es at the end of the word. Furniture, it is uncountable noun, so it will remain same. Country, at the end of the word y is here, you will write ies by removing y. Grain, grains. Home, homes. Shelf, shelves, because f is here. City, cities. Life, lives. Okay, this was your book work, students. Take revision and please do your all revision work regularly, which I am giving you. You have to do all this work in your book in a very neat handwriting. Okay, students, have a nice day. Do it complete. Bye-bye.